So welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how the add new product process works. So here you can see that we have some drop downs for category selecting categories, and can select colors, add whether the product is brand new, and we can add images, description, titles, whatsoever, everything here we can change. So let's see whether we can do that. So I will add the product. I will add electronics. We have the brand Apple loaded for electronics, and I will add the iPhone. So I will add the title iPhone like 17 or something. It's not no, it's not a real phone. So I will add as brand new. I can add the color as red or green. That means this only shows the data in my database. So still I have added only red and green. So I can add the quantity as 99. I can add the amount as 250,000, and delivery cost within Colombo as 5,000, and out of Colombo as 15,000. And I can add a random description. I write this description of iPhone 17. I can add an image, so I will add an image. Here there's iPhone photo, and I can save the product. And it reaches, that means the product is added. So if I move to my database and see for the products table, I can see here there's a product with containing 99, and the title iPhone 17 with delivery fee Colombo 5,000 and out of Colombo 15,000. So this is the category data. Like, those are just foreign keys from my other table, and this is the user who added the table. Basically, this is the seller. So let's see how all these functions work. So if I move into my add product PHP, you can see that I have required the connection, and to load the categories, I have added database search and select the old from category table and assign that to category result, category RS variable. And then I calculated the number of rows in that, and for that, using a for loop, I have loaded all the categories. And here I have done the same thing for brand, and I have done the same thing for model. And here for color, the same thing. Select the color from the database and load that within a for loop, and see how that product process works. So we start a session and we get the connection PHP, and actually in that product PHP, this change product image. So let's check all these. Yeah, this change product image actually uploads the image. Like, when I click upload image, this works because of that function. So if I move into my script.js and find that change product image function, this is it. So here what I do is I catch the element with the ID and assign it to the images variable, and then with images.onChange function, we will change the file. And then with that, if the file count, that means, like here I have added the file count less than or equal 3. That means we can add either less than 3 or 3, not more than 3. So if I try to add, like, I just take some random images to check this. Another image. It alerts 4 files uploaded. You are proceed to upload 3 or less than 3 files. So that's what explains in this. So, and after that, there's another function as add product, and the add product function is this. So we catch the elements, category, brand, model, title that the user input, and we assign this to these variables, and we check whether the B is checked, and if so, then the condition is 1, else the condition is 2. That means there's a condition for every product, whether it's brand new or used. So the condition first is brand new, the second is used. And here we actually assign these data into these variables, and we send these using a form data after appending those to that. And with a new XML HTTP request, with R we are sending this with the post method to add product process.php. If we move to add product process.php, here we can see that we get all the data that's sent through post and assigned it to different variables, and then we are actually loading the model has brand by using the model and brand we got here. And and if the model has brand is 0, we are fetching the model has brand data's ID to model has brand's ID, and we assign that. So, and yes, we are inserting into our database. And for the new date time that in our database, here we can see the date time added is calculated from this part, because when we are displaying our products, we need the latest products to be in top, that I talked about in a previous video. And we are getting all the database, and we are inserting everything to our database in this query. So we are inserting into our product table all the details that we got from here. And in this part, we check, that is the thing that we check whether the number of mails is 3 or more than 3. And these are the file extensions that we allow: SVG, WebP, PNG, JPEG, and JPG. And if it is not the file type that we want, then we will request not an allowed file image. Otherwise, if something is wrong within this, then we are going invalid image count. That means if you try to upload more than 3 or 0. So file name is this. That means this is how the file names are saved. So if we go to product image table and see this, and this is how the file is the iPhone 17, and this is the file image of that product. And if everything works perfectly, then we are going success, and that is the response text that we need to reload the web page. Otherwise, we will alert the response text or the error we got. So that's all the things that I need to say. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.